Hello, my name is Carrie Davis with 986 Productions, and I'm going to show you how to do the annoying orange effect with After Effects, except with a university student twist. First, we're going to import our footage and photo. And then we're going to drag the footage down to a new composition. My resolution is down a quarter because if it is full, then the preview will skip a lot because After Effects is not like Premiere Pro where it renders as you work. So the workaround is to make the footage resolution smaller. I'm going to cut my footage down and I'm going to drag the bar while pressing Shift so that it will snap to the scrubber. Then pull the bar back to the beginning. And I'm going to drag my scrubber to the point where I stop talking. Then we'll go to the work end bar and snap that to the scrubber. Then we'll head up to Composition, trim Composition to Work Area, and we have a nice 4-second clip. So we're going to rename this composition to Final. Then we're going to delete that footage and put the cup photo into a new composition. This will make sure that the cup photo is as long as our clip. Now we're going to drag the footage into a new composition again. I'm going to name this one Stable, and again resize the clip. So now we're going to come over to Window and we're going to select Tracker, Track Motion. Make sure that you have the selection tool on and don't move the tracker by the little plus sign because then it just goes all over the place. We do want the selection tool inside the box though. And we're going to put the first tracker on a tear duct. And then we're going to hit rotation and put that tracker on the second tear duct. Then make sure that Stabilize is selected and hit Track Forward. And Roberts Productions, whose tutorial that I learned this from, said that you could also use the nose as a tracking point if the tear ducts don't work. His tutorial will be linked down below if you want to see it. Well, that was a learning experience. Make sure the tracker is at the beginning of the footage. Then when it's done analyzing, hit Apply and select X and Y dimensions, then hit OK. So we're going to drag Stable down to a new composition and we are going to call this one Mask. The clip in the work area will still be called Stable. So I'm going to select it and hit Ctrl D to duplicate the clip twice. Then we're going to rename the first clip to Left, the second clip to Right, and the third clip to Mouth. Then we're going to select Solo and make sure that we select the correct clip. And then we're going to get the pen tool and we're going to draw a circle around the left eye. We will make 4 points, one on the outside of the eye, a second one on top of the eye, and pull to the right a little bit to create a curve. Then we're going to put another point outside of the tear duct, another at the bottom of the eye, and then we're going to close the circle by clicking on the first point that we made. Then repeat that for the right eye, and then the mouth. Unselect all of the solos. Then press Ctrl plus A to select all 3 of the clips. Press M, then F to open up the mask and feather. So then we'll adjust the feather to about 33% and then do the same for the right eye and the mouth. Then we'll get our select tool again and drag the eyes down towards the mouth. Adjust if you need to. So now we're going to put the final clip into the composition. And press S for scale. Then we're going to take the mask clip and put that on top of the cup clip. And then we can scale that down a bit. Then we're going to go to Effect, Color Correction, Hue and Saturation, and then select Colorize. Then we can adjust Colorize Hue, bring down the lightness a bit, and bring down the saturation because it matches the silver cup. And now let's preview the footage.
Hey guys, my name is Caffeine. I'm here to give you the energy to get that 4.0 or believe you can.
And there you have it, the annoying orange effect, but the hyper caffeine version. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, hit like and subscribe.